All right. In your view, is Honorable Amarachi, Iwuanyanwu, and the Commissioner, Mrs. Ugwu. Beside him is His Royal Majesty Eze Ndi Chukwudi J.IHENETU. Your Majesty, what is the mission you people are carrying out this morning? Can you brief us?
Very simple. Right Honorable Amarachi, who I am being Deputy Speaker of Imo State, came all the way from Nigeria by the instruction of the Governor to rescue our daughters, more especially the Imo State daughters that are involved here for prostitution. And he came all the way from Nigeria since yesterday. They are the people that think they have to do with humanity, give them sleepless nights. And he didn't come alone, he came with the Commissioner for Women Affairs. That is to let you know that the Governor of Imo State and the entire Governor of Imo State are doing the best they can to see to the welfare of the citizens of Imo State. That's why they are in Ghana today.
All right. So, Honorable, what do you have to tell us?
Well, we were mandated by the Governor of Imo State and his dear wife, by H.E Uzodimma, and the State Senator Uzodimma, myself and Mrs. Nkechinyere, Commissioner for Women Affairs, to come and see for ourselves our daughters that were caught in this human trafficking crime. So we have a mandate to come and see them, and that is why we're here. We arrived in Ghana. We've been in Ghana since yesterday. Okay. To make sure that we not only come and see them, we rescue them and take them back. That's what we're doing.
All right. Okay, Honorable Commissioner, I know this concerns mostly ladies. Yes. So you being here give us a lot of assurance that we are going to achieve the purpose of you being here. So can you tell us something about this issue?
By being here, we already achieved. Like DSP has said, our goal, we were directed to make sure we do not come back to Nigeria without them for one thing. Okay. And it's not just bringing them back to Nigeria, it's to start a new life for them, it's to change their life. And hopefully, by the grace of God and with their cooperation, this will not be a sad story, it will be a stepping stone for each one of them to get to where they are. I mean, we all make mistakes, maybe they've made mistakes, but this mistake will be a stepping stone for them and a lesson to a whole lot of other people. So to watch our children and also for our children to learn from what they have experienced. So we're happy to be here and we're going to, by the grace of God, take them home and hopefully change their lives.
Thank you. Okay, viewers, we are now moving to the place. We'll keep you updated about the whole situation. Thank you. As you can see, even under the rain, these men, the leaders, are taking steps to make sure that they do the needful. Thank you. We'll be bringing you more updates as soon as we get to the ladies where they are. Good afternoon, Honorable. We are now in the residence where the children were kept by a needle. So what was their observation? I haven't seen you coming from the room where they were kept.
We thank God we saw the children hale and happy.
We are looking forward to going back home. We want to thank the people's governor for this opportunity to be able to come here and rescue these girls and take them back. We want to thank all relevant authorities who were part of the rescue mission and bringing them here. The final rehabilitation of these girls will take back to Imo State. So give God the glory. Thank you, God bless.
Okay, when you talk about taking them home, are you want to take them along with you, or you are just making a statement, sir?
They will go back home.
They will go back home. Thank you. I love that. I love that. Okay. So you can see, we are just leaving the environment where the children were kept. So that is it here in Accra, Ghana, live.
That's our